This quick, step-by-step video will walk you through the basic use and function of stop orders on our Sterling Trader Pro platform. A stop order is an order to buy or sell a stock when its price reaches a set price called the stop price. A stop order acts as a trigger for a predetermined entry or exit price, limiting the loss or locking in a profit. A buy stop order is placed above the market, and a sell stop order is placed below the market. Sterling supports both native and server-side stops. A native stop order is sent directly to an exchange when the order is placed. Server-side stops are managed by the server or platform and are not sent to the exchange until triggered. Most traders use server-side stops since not all exchanges support native stops. Let's take a look at the Level 2 window and walk through placing a stop market order. Assuming your symbol, account, and quantity of shares are preset when selecting a stop order, the price field becomes your stop price. Enter the stop price in the price field and select s-stop for the price type field. When your stop price is triggered, the order will be sent to the exchange as a market order. Additionally, you can place stop limit orders. The functionality for a stop limit order is the same as a stop market order. However, when the stop is triggered, a limit order is released instead of a market order. To place a stop limit order, you enter two prices: the stop price and the limit price. Once the stop price is reached, the stop limit order becomes a limit order to buy or sell at the limit price or better. Here's a quick review of the main stop order types. Thanks for watching.